Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on Android. So what you will have to gonna do, you will just have to open the WhatsApp's settings. You will just open the phone settings and you will just click to and find scroll down to app management. You have to click app list and you will have to find the WhatsApp. Scroll down to find it. When it's found, you will have to just open it. WhatsApp, and there is the permissions, and you will allow the contact access for this app. So you will have to just allow it and you will just open the WhatsApp and you can refresh it. You can refresh the WhatsApp app. You can, once it's closed, and again you will have to open it so the contacts will be shown. Must check the permissions contacts are allowed. So you can both all permissions have to allow on WhatsApp, and open the WhatsApp app and you will see the contacts are shown. So this is how to fix it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.